Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to SphereSkill Technology Empowering Tomorrow's Learning, which is powered by GB Systems. And I am your trainer here, Jay Ganeshan. In today's session, we are going to solve one of the most common Excel problem which users face every day, that is manual filtering and handling messy data analysis. If you have ever spent too much time sorting rows one by one or applying filters repeatedly, then this session is for you guys. Okay, so in today's topic, we are going to see how Excel multi-level sorting and advanced filtering using tools that can help you manage and analyze large data sets faster, cleaner, and more professional. So before we jump in, if you haven't watched our previous session on data cleaning tools like remove duplicate text to column and flash fill, you can check it out using the card displayed on the top of the video. This session is very important because clean data is the foundation for accurate sorting and filtering, right? So if you find this content useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you never miss out our upcoming Excel and technology session. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and colleagues who work with Excel data every day. It will be definitely save a lot of time for them. All right, then let's get started and learn how to stop manual filtering once and for all using Excel powerful sorting and filtering tools.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
Welcome back. So we are in module 4 session 3, in which we are going to see what is sorting and advanced filtering. So in this session we are going to see what is multi-level sorting, what is advanced filtering. Yeah, so we will start the live practical classes. So I have taken a few example of the employee details for the marketing and sales team, okay, and IT team who have achieved their target, who have not achieved our target. Okay, so first of all, what is filtering? So filtering is something based on the cell value or a column value. We will be able to filter to the criteria based scenario. So how to do filtering? So we can go to data and then apply filter. Okay, so the easiest shortcut method is Control Shift L. So now I want to have a filter about who have achieved the target. Okay, so I can just go ahead and then remove it and then bring what is achieved target. So this is filtering. So filtering based on a criteria whose employee have achieved the target, but it is not department wise. So we will have department wise also. So in additional, we can have a additional filtering option, that is department. So I want to see who and all have achieved it in the sales, right? So in sales department, in achieved target for this month, they have collected some employees who have achieved how many 8 counts were been achieved. Out of that, how many have been brought it from south? Okay, so 3 employee has achieved it in the south. So that is how the filtering works. So filtering is what? Filtering is reducing the data field based out of sorting it based on the criteria what we are providing, right? So we can able to provide a value also. So we will see one more example. So we will remove all the filters. So once we clear all the filters, we will be able to reapply the filter. So how do we clear it? So we will go to the sales. Now we will apply a filter. Okay, number filter we are using greater than. Okay, greater than 50,000, let us put. So how many have got 50,000 and more? Okay, so we have got 5 numbers who have achieved more than 50,000, right? So this is what a filtering is. So we will clear this filter. So to clear it, we have option in the data field. Okay, so how do we use this shortcut for this? So for this, we will use Alt A. So in this, we have a shortcut for C, is your data cleaning. Okay, the similar way for short filtering T. So rather than doing this option, you can straight away select all the cells and then put Control Shift L. So Control Shift L is the shortcut for applying the filter. So you will get the filter. So if you put one more time Control Shift L, the filter is been removed, right? Okay, now we will go to sorting. Sorting is what? Arranging in some sequence, right? So that is what sorting is. So first we will select all the cells and then we will see what are the criteria where we can do a single sorting and then multi-level sorting. Okay, now what is single sorting? Sorting is based on the department wise or based on the status wise. Let us say first I want to sort it out based on the status who have achieved it. Okay, so how we can able to bring it? Sort, there is option is there, data, sort. Okay, so here we have a status, right? Status, and then what we have to do, we have to put A to Z. So we have received achieved. Okay, how we have bought it? We have bought it from a status by arranging it into the ascending order, right? The same way we can able to arrange it by sales target who is been greater than 50,000 and some other criteria. So I have brought some use cases, real practical life use cases, how this can be achieved. So what is multi-level sorting? Multi-level sorting is nothing but arranging multiple cells based on that to get the achieved result. Filtering the result to the criteria what is being required is called the multi-level sorting. What is single level sorting? Filtering the result based on one single cell or one single criteria is single level sorting, right? So we will see multi-level sorting. In the first example, we are going to sort department A to Z and also by region. What is the region? That is also by A to Z, and sales amount which will be on the greater side. Okay, so that will be your business demo. So how do the business team achieve it? Okay, so for to achieve this, we should have a multi-level sorting. So how do we go? Alt A. Okay, in this SS, so we got the sort by. So here first what we have told department and then region, right? So first we will go to the sort and then we will add department. So department, what we are going to do? We are going to sort it by A to Z. And the same way we will add levels here. So you are able to see here in the sort we are having a add level. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to add region, so that is also A to Z, right? And then sales amount. Okay, so sales amount on the higher side, right? So that is not smallest to larger, larger to smallest. Okay, so we are sorting down based on three criteria here, multi-level sorting. First is department, region, and sales amount. So you guys see here, so first is based on the department and then based on the what is the region, and based on a sales amount we are able to sort this one out, right? So this is a business use case where we can able to apply the sorting function and then take the output. Okay, so we will see what is the second use case. I'm just restoring back to the original data, so it will have into the original sequence. So target analysis is our second use case. So by filtering by status achieved first, who has achieved first. Okay, so by status and then by sales amount. Okay, so sales amount is going to be descending, by status is going to be achieved first. That is how we are going to do it. What we going to sort it out by status. Okay, achieved first by default will go to A to Z, and then sales amount. Sales amount, how it is from the highest, that is largest to smallest. So when we do so, so automatically who have achieved will be filtered to the first, that is sorted from the first, and what is their highest sales amount. So who has achieved it, which employee and which department, which region, which month, everything will get sorted out, right? So that is how we achieve the multi-level sorting. So we have seen two use cases, which will be a business practice to get the result output sorted down. We will see further more examples. Okay, now let us see what is the advanced sorting and be used based on the criteria, right? So we will select first what is the cell. So I have already listed down a criteria where we are going to sort down using department wise sales and then region wise south, and which is greater than 50,000 sales achieved. Okay, so how do we get this sort? Okay, we have selected the cell. We have a advanced here in this criteria range. You can able to see here where we are going to pick the criteria range between this details. Okay, so automatically what will happen, based out of this records, it will get filtered out. So how it is been filtered? We have filtered using department sales, region south, and greater than 50,000 of the sales value. Department sales, region south, which is greater than 50,000, right? So if I change the value there, what happens? Okay, it will change to the respective value. So now we will come to the filter. We will get the respective value comes. Okay. So we will see how to use our condition here, where we are having a criteria where sales equal to south or IT based on the department IT equal to west. So this is how we are going to choose either sales equal to south or IT equal to west, means region as a west and the sales region as a south. That is how we are going to filter it. So this is one of the use case where how to use the R condition. So what we have done, we have selected the records. So we will go to the advanced. Automatically, the list range for the table will be selected. We are going to the criteria where we have chosen the criteria. Click OK. Right now, sales south, IT west. Right, sales south. So whatever in this combination will be sorted out. The others will be filtered. Right. So that is how the OR condition will work. How the advanced filters copying into the new location works. So for this, we will use the same criteria. Okay, I'm choosing the same cells here. I will go to the advanced. We have option called copy to another location, right? So how do we copy to another location? Select the criteria here. So what is the criteria? Same criteria or we will be using. Okay, next copy to a location, new location. So this has to be within the seat only. So where you can able to filter out, I will be choosing this particular location. Okay, so click OK. So you can see here the result is came to a new location. It is not filtered on the same location. So that is how the copy to a new location will come. Right. So that is already having a heading. So we will remove that. So this is how we will achieve copy to a new location. So let us see what and all we have seen. Sorting. Sorting is reordering of data based on the criteria what we do have, and then multi-level sort, ranking plus grouping of the data. Okay, based on multiple criteria or multiple fields, providing the sorting elements. Filter, temporarily narrowing down the data based on our requirement and to filter the data and hide the non-relevant content. Advanced filter to provide a complex condition. Yes, we have used multiple use cases and then brought the filters to advanced level, sorting to the advanced level based on the criteria. Correct. Next, copy to a new location. Like we will be bringing this to a dashboard or a report where you want a separate data to be copied. Then you can copy it to a new location based on the result what you are going to get. So that is how this advanced filter will work. So with this, you can able to become a Excel expert by filtering to the required result and taking the output. With this, we can able to bring into the dashboard, like what is the sales volume, what we have got, right? Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this is very informative for you guys. So today we have learned how to do sorting, advanced filtering and multi-level sorting, right? So if you find this video to be informative, please share with your friends and colleagues and give me a like and click subscribe to my channel and do follow me on my Facebook and also on my YouTube channel. Journey continued. So we have come to the end of the module 4 session. So we will be beginning the module 5, which will be going into the advanced level, playing with the big data. So stay tuned, guys. Do follow me, do subscribe, and we are going to have a module 5 sessions in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So until then, it's me, Jay Ganeshan, signing off for today. I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you all.